Guys, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js to your PC. Before installing Node.js, we need to make sure that this PC already installed Node.js version. To do that, just open the command line and type node-v and press enter. Okay, as you can see, this PC doesn't have Node.js version installed previously, and now we jump into install Node.js. So open your browser and type Node.js and press enter, and this will bring you to the official site. Okay, now you can simply download Node.js into your PC by simply clicking this click. As you can see that the download process is started. This will take some time. Okay, Node.js just completed downloaded to our PC. Just open it. Just click next, accept the license agreement, and next. You can change the default the installation location, but I'm prefer with default, and click next. I prefer with default as here as well. Just click next, install. This will take some little bit time. Okay, now installation process is completed. Let's click finish. So to make sure this again, open the command line and type nodejs-v, press enter. Okay, now you can see the version. That means Node.js installed successfully, and you can check the npm version as well. Just type npm-v, press enter. Okay, npm has installed as well. Good luck.